$, which I think should go lower. And for that, I believe we should be looking for sale opportunities. The 4-hour chart trend line was broken, and yesterday I told you, let it break, let it hold, and it does. Every rally we see now, we should be looking for sale opportunity. That's the broken trend line we just talked about. That's the bullish divergence it has. It can take us back to this resistance. It can take us back to this resistance. It can take us back to this resistance, but I believe from here it will create the next divergence. Neither that it will be bearish hidden, neither it will be a continuing on this part, and I believe from there we are going for a drop. As long as we are holding below 136.10, 136.15 even, I am bearish on my mind, I'm bearish in my view, and I think we are stepping all the way down to 133 or so. So look to sell rallies, look for the sell opportunities. That's where we want to be. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to trade. It looks good, it looks correct, it behaves correct, and as long as we are below this 136.15, I think down. But don't forget the event from USA to come, 17th of October. That's the date when if there will be no solution, the USA will reach the debt ceiling. It means it could cause panic, it could cause some nervous behavior from the market, and we should remember that, because if anything of that happens, we just better to sit aside and stay away, and sit on the fence watching for a few days, not to trade and let the craziness